Artificial intelligence, or AI, is shaping our world faster than ever before. It powers the apps we use, the cars we drive, and even the way we communicate. But how much do we truly understand about this powerful technology? In today's video, we'll explore 10 amazing facts about AI, from its ancient roots to its incredible modern breakthroughs. Fact 1. AI can create art and write stories. AI is no longer limited to calculations or code. Today, tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney can write music, paint digital art, and even create poetry. These systems learn patterns from vast amounts of data, allowing them to mimic creativity, a trait once thought to be uniquely human. Fact 2. The idea of AI is older than computers. Believe it or not, the concept of artificial intelligence dates back to ancient Greece, with myths about robots built by the god Hephaestus. The modern idea was first discussed in the 1950s, way before most homes even had a computer. Fact 3. AI can learn without being programmed. Thanks to machine learning, AI can teach itself from data. Just like humans learn from experience, AIs improve the more they practice. That's why your voice assistant gets smarter every time you talk to it. Fact 4. AI beat the best humans at complex games. AI systems like AlphaGo and OpenAI's DotaBot have crushed world champions, not by memorizing moves, but by learning strategy through millions of simulations. In short, they practiced more in a day than a human could in a lifetime. Fact 5. AI can detect diseases better than doctors. In the medical world, AI can spot early signs of cancer, diabetes, and even heart disease faster, and more accurately than some professionals, saving lives through early detection. Fact 6. Self-driving cars are just the beginning. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Google are developing cars that can navigate cities without human input. But did you know? AI is also being used in airplanes, farming machines, and even ocean-cleaning robots. Fact 7. AI can read emotions. Some AI systems can analyze your face, tone of voice, and even your heartbeat to detect how you feel, happy, sad, or stressed. Creepy or cool? You decide. Fact 8. AI is helping scientists understand the human brain. AI models are being used to simulate neurons and map how our brain works, bringing us closer to understanding consciousness itself. This is like AI studying its own creator. Fact 9. AI is fighting climate change. From predicting natural disasters to optimizing energy use, AI helps reduce carbon emissions and protect endangered species. Yes, even Mother Earth has an AI ally. Fact 10. The future of AI might be conscious. Some experts believe that within decades, AI could develop a form of self-awareness, but others say true consciousness is uniquely human. What do you think? Could AI ever become truly alive? So there you have it, 10 incredible facts about artificial intelligence. Which one surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love learning new things every day, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more mind-blowing facts every week.